Default constructor initializes without arguments. Parameterized constructor takes arguments. Copy constructor copies from same type. Move constructor efficiently. Transfers resources from an R value reference. They are also parameterized and move constructor. Using namespaces in programming prevents naming conflicts, organizes related code elements logically, enhances readability, resolves ambiguities, and aids in versioning and maintenance. Access specifiers block access in inheritance by controlling the visibility of base class members in derived classes, with public allowing access to everyone, protected restricting access to derived classes, and private restricting access entirely. I am utilizing this namespace to isolate potential conflicts with other string classes inherited from the std string class, mitigating confusion for the compiler. I have added functions find, concat, and split, which are not part of the base class. They provide a blueprint for a class or function, and while compiling templates don't generate actual code until the compiler instantiates them with specific types. Aggregation in C++ is a weaker relationship than composition, where one class, the whole, has a pointer or reference to another class, the part, allowing the part to exist independently of the whole. Here you can see that list is in relation with class node. Static is used for declaring class-level variables and functions, while const is used for declaring constants and specifying immutability. Here, I ensure that the size remains static, as it will be consistent throughout the entire list, and utilize the const keyword with functions where the data member should not be modified. Friend functions and classes in C++ provide controlled access to private members, facilitating encapsulation, operator overloading, and reduced coupling between classes. Navigate to the 02 folder and open the project in Visual Studio. Over here, we have an implementation of myString, which is inherited from the standard string. Run the code. Class string is placed inside the namespace myString wrapper. It has two constructors for deep and shallow copy. If one is changed in shallow, it can be seen in the other as they point to the same memory block. The replace function will change part of the string despite in native libraries string being immutable. Concat will append one string before another. Find will return the starting index of the string given for search. Operator overloading equal to and addition for copy constructor and concat function mimic. Let's move to an example of a doubly linked list. Here you need to enter elements to be added to the list. It uses get and terminates input on -1. MyList has all used functions also present in STL. As a doubly linked list, it has two pointers, one forward and the other running backwards. It is aggregated with the class node, which also has two pointers for next and previous. Here, operator is overloaded for identifying the location of the node. and this is done with the help of a static member, size. At also performs the same as y operator by providing the index of the node. It returns its value.